The beginning of the year is a perfect opportunity to start something new. If you're planning to start Forex trading, I prepared for you the list of 6 essential things that you will need to become a pro trader. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, you will need a charting software. Of course, if you want to trade, you should analyze the charts. A lot of charts, and when newbie traders start trading, they usually analyze the charts in MetaTrader. MetaTrader is a very good trading terminal, but unfortunately from the charting perspective, it is very outdated. My recommendation to you is to apply TradingView for charting. It is free, it is user-friendly, you can find common technical tools here, and also on TradingView you can check the ideas of the experienced traders, and it will help you to learn and to grow. The second thing that you need is a trading watch list. And of course, for Forex traders, there are a lot of instruments to trade. Major Forex pairs, minor Forex pairs, exotic pairs, CFDs on silver, gold, oil, etc. And of course, being a beginner, you cannot trade all these instruments. You cannot analyze them all. You cannot follow them all. My recommendation to you is to set up a watch list of maximum 8 trading instruments. Follow these instruments, learn to trade them, and as you mature in trading, then you can expand your watch list. Here's the example of the beginner's trading watch list. Here we have the major dollar pairs, and this 7 instruments is more than enough for you to learn how to trade. The thing number 3 that you need is a trading plan. In Forex trading, there are a lot of different strategies. There are a lot of different techniques to trade. You can be a fundamental trader, you can be a technical trader, you can trade the indicators, you can be scalper, swing trader. There are a lot of ways to trade. And of course, you cannot trade all the strategies simultaneously. For that reason, you should strictly define the trading plan, the rules that you apply for trading. Define your rules, trade them, test them, and if they don't work, only then switch to a new trading strategy. Please check the list of the main elements that should be in your trading plan. The thing number 4 that you need is the economic calendar. And even if you decide to trade just technicals, you should remember that fundamentals play a very important role in trading. And your task as a trader is to watch the important news, look for the important news releases, and watch how the markets react to this news. And for that reason, you need the economic calendar. There is the default economic calendar on TradingView, but I believe that it is not efficient because quite often it lacks the important news. Traders, don't miss the big Christmas sale, 40% off on everything. For more info, check the link in the description below. The one that I personally recommend is the economic calendar on the investing.com website. Just focus your attention on the 3 stars, news, and watch carefully how the market reacts to this news. The thing number 5 that you will need is the demo account. And trading is a very long journey, and of course, you will try different strategies, you will try different techniques. And while you are learning, it is very important for you to trade on demo, because if you trade on a real account while you are learning, probabilities will be very high that you will lose everything. I personally recommend the paper trading on TradingView so that you could have your charting and the trades on the same chart. The thing number 6, the position size calculator. And while you are trading on a demo account, you should learn to measure the lot size for your trade. You should know in advance how much is your risk. For that reason, do not be lazy, and even on a demo account, always calculate the position size. If you demo trade on TradingView, it offers a position size calculator there, so that you could easily calculate the lot sizes for your trades. If not, I recommend the position size calculator on BBPip's website. It is very simple to use. Once you prepare the demo account, the position size calculator, the watch list, the economic calendar, the trading plan, then you are ready to trade. And then be prepared to work hard. Remember that you won't become a pro trader quickly. It takes time to learn how the things work. So good luck, traders, and I hope that you will become a professional trader one day.